Alright, welcome back to the Learn German Challenge. Good evening. Okay, let's play a little bit. Yes, so now we can start. So, today we want to see the preposition, but first it's challenge number 34. And 34 is wir hun 30. Okay, so this one is 34. Alright, so today we want to see prepositions which take either accusative or dative case. So here, remember that accusative is, this one is direct object, and this one is indirect object. So to begin with, we need to know the articles. We need to remind ourselves the article, the definite article there, because it will be important in this case. So just a quick reminder is that if you have the definite article there, for example, so I will try to squeeze this board of mine. So here we'll have masculine, we have neutral, and we have feminine, for example. So if we start with the nominative case, masculine, it will be der, neutral will be das, feminine will be die. In accusative case, which is the direct object, this will be then. Okay, this will remain the way it is, das. This one will remain the way it is, die. So if we add dative, for example, dative is the M case. So this one will be them. This one also will be them, but this one will be there. Okay. So what about the last case, which is genitive? If you have genitive here, then this one will be des, there. Okay. So these ones are important because we'll use when creating our sentence. So what are the prepositions in this case? So there are 8 prepositions. So the first one is an, or, and auf. So this is number 1, an and auf. This one means horn. So this here we can write German, then English. Okay. So an, auf is on. 2, we have hinter, which is behind. Okay. We have number 3. We have zwischen. This one is between, and we have number 4, vor, and this one vor is more or less similar to the four which we saw when we were discussing uh, the accusative, so don't confuse this one. Vor, and in this one will be in front, okay. Number 5, we have Yuba. This is an umlaut, Yuba, and this means over. Number 6, we have in, and this is to there, okay. Number 7, we have junta, which is next to or besides, okay. No, beside, not besides, because if you say besides, it means something else. So yeah, so this is beside. Lastly, we have which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So these are the prepositions which can take either accusative or dative. So one quick thing to note is, if you say accusative means, when you say accusative, you want to answer the question where to, okay. And in German, this one is equivalent to wohin, okay. And when it's dative, you want to it's a question of where. So, and in German, where is wo. All right, so let's do example. So the first example will be in accusative. So the accusative here is where to. So we can say she goes behind the house. So the house here is an accusative, or it's a direct object. So, and this one is neutral case. So this there will take this one does. So to answer this one, so it will be C get, behind is hinter, so it will be the get hinter das Haus. Okay, so let's see where to. So number 2, we use the same line, but we flip a little bit. So she is behind the house. So she is behind the house. So the answer here will be, so remember this one now is dative. Okay, she is behind the house. So the house will be in the dative case. So the dative case of neutral will be there. So C ist, behind is hinter. So sie ist hinter dem Haus. So when you are speaking, this one you can contract. So you can say hinterm, but this is when speaking. But for writing, you have to write everything. So until tomorrow,